Today is the day. First day of school. And today's actually the day that I get my hair locked. So we are celebrating a win together as usual. You know, on Abby's birthday, like the day she was born, I celebrated Mother's Day. So.
And on my birthday, we went to Disney.
Yeah, we did go to Disney this year. You excited for school? Good morning, Amon. My goodness. Amon just woke up and he is cranky. Oh.
This is pink.
First day of school. Look at my baby. You ready to go?
Did she drink water?
Yeah. Hey, Amon. She's looking so beautiful with her braids. Bye, Abby. Bye, Abby. Have a good day. All right, so we dropped off Abby at school. She looks so precious and just ready to go. I mean, my little dumpling is growing up, you guys. It's insane. I'm on the way to get my hair done. It's gonna be a long day. It's crazy because I had watched a couple videos to prepare for this. I have food. I have lunch and dinner with me. I have snacks, books, my headphones. And I'm actually glad I'm doing this because I feel like I haven't seen any like vlogs, like preparing and the actual day of getting your hair locked. So this is the first for all of us. And let's see how this goes. Hey, so we are taking a little break, but check out the locks here. We have gone with large Sisterlocks. And she is on her way. Say hey.
Hello.
I got Sis over here doing my lock installation, you guys. I'm so excited. How long have you been locked?
I've been locked in October. 3 years.
3 years. Look how
Yes.
beautiful her hair is. Like stunning. And just for size reference, she has small, right? It's
Yes,
size small.
I have small.
And I'll be having a large, right?
Yes.
Large Sisterlocks.
That's right.
So
That's right.
we're getting going, y'all.
We're doing it.
All right, y'all, so I'm absolutely exhausted. Like, I have a migraine. I just finished eating and I think I might just brush my teeth, wash up, and go to bed. I'm just exhausted. So this puff is completely locked. Let me flip it around for y'all. The only ones left are these two and one in the back. So this is what we have. Real clean grid. They're looking real sexy. Let me see. So we did like the whole mid section. Wow, my scalp is looking real clean too. So these are the large locks, large Sisterlocks. So there you have it. We're almost done. Good morning, you guys. It is 6 in the morning. I got my little puffs. We're gonna get started. Today's the last day. And I can't wait to finish. I'm so excited. I'm gonna stand because you know we've been sitting for hours yesterday, so I have to stand to do this. But today's the last day, guys. Hey, we just finished the front.
Yes.
Look at how she looks. She looks gorgeous. Now we have to do the back as well, and we'll be done, you guys. It's gonna be great. And check out my description box in the bio if you are in the New Orleans area. Definitely contact the link below if you want to get your consultation and everything ready to go, because sis is the plug.
Yes.
Okay, you guys, so you know I had the braids. Well, I had the bantu knots first and then we had the plaits. So this is how it's looking fresh out the plaits. yeah, she did mention that it will be stiff, of course. So with time and humidity, and especially after the first wash, it'll probably like go down and even just get it a little thicker. But I'm just very like surprised by the length. I thought it was gonna be shorter. It's all very curly because it was in the curls, but it's pretty much the same length as it was when I stretched my hair out. It's not as short as I thought it would be, but I know once that humidity hits the shaft, it's over. So the front is here, but before the front was like down to here. But yeah, this is it. This is it, you guys. Look at that. Let the journey begin, y'all. Let the journey begin.